Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are paired and updated. This prevents language mismatches. On the watch, press the digital crown and open Settings, or grab your iPhone and open the Watch app. Once done, navigate to General, then Language and Region to begin. Make sure you have the language you want available on your iPhone too. This step ensures the watch recognizes new dictation options and keeps system text consistent. You'll now select the dictation language itself. Tap Language and Region and look for dictation languages or speech input. Choose the target language from the list. If a download prompt appears, accept it so the watch can add voice models. Once selected, confirm the change and wait while the watch downloads and indexes the language. This can take a few minutes. Make sure silent mode isn't blocking prompts, and keep the watch on its charger if battery is low. Finish by testing dictation in messages or notes. Speak short phrases and listen for correct recognition. If the new language doesn't apply right away, restart the watch. That often resolves lingering profile issues. If problems persist, toggle dictation off and on in settings, or in worst case unpair and repair the watch to force a fresh sync. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure iPhone language settings aren't conflicting. They can override watch dictation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.